emperor die before his death. Will eggs. It grows on a poisonous weed called marigold. There are many varieties of this poisonous weed, but each one contains toxins. Mary King's flowering season. Monarch butterflies come to drink nectar. By the way, I helped Mary King complete the pollination. When monarch butterfly offspring are born, Mary King began to swallow the killer. This egg is only 1 millimeter in diameter. The eggs will hatch confidently on the 4th day after being laid. After the larvae are born, eats its own eggshell from the inside out. This is his first meal. After that, all the food sources for the larvae, all from Mary King's leaves. But Mary King would not let the larvae eat her. Once the larvae bite the leaf veins, milky white leaves will quickly emerge. The larvae that can't get away will be wrapped, thus drowned. The larvae that were infected all died of. Mary King's defense was very effective. Only 1/3 of the larvae survived the first day. The larvae that survived 2 weeks later. They know how to deal with Mary King's defense. Larvae before eating leaves. The bamboo veins of the entire leaf will be cut off first. This cuts off the supply of marigold leaves. Some will avoid the veins of Mary King's leaves. Eat directly between the veins of the leaves. This way the branches and leaves won't come out. After Mary King's defenses failed, the larvae can eat safely. Mary King's leaves contain toxins, but the larvae are immune to its toxins. It can also accumulate toxins in your body. Make yourself toxic, killing the enemy that preys on you. Most insect-eating predators. No one dares to act rashly, and the bright colors of the larvae also serve as a warning to predators. There are toxins in it. It's best not to think of yourself as food. Even with the protection of marigold's poison, monarch butterfly larvae, still a food source for many birds and ants. Living ants that are also immune to the toxin. Get off the leaves. Less than 1% of larvae can survive to become a butterfly. Wait until the time is right. The larvae spit out sticky silk to hang themselves. The skin of the larvae is torn from the outside. The new skin underneath began to harden into a inside the well. The larvae break down all tissues, then reassemble their special cells, slowly nourishing new tissue growth. Hundreds of tiny breathing tubes provide him with oxygen. His brain, the heart and digestive tract begin to change shape and size. Muscles that aid flight begin to grow. The wings and ventriculus also begin to form. 10 days later, the larvae have undergone a complete transformation. He came out, transformed into a monarch butterfly. at this time. His short life will be protected by Marigold's poison. On the contrary, the emperor disc that turns into a butterfly. It will also help Mary King complete the pollination. Because of Mary King's nectar, not only is he a source of food, although in the larval stage, Mary King's defense mechanism. But those who survive have the ability to survive. Mary King's defense mechanism indirectly helped the monarch butterfly complete the survival of the fittest. Emperor Dai and Mary King seem to be fighting each other. In fact, they are interdependent. Mutualism. This is amazing. Animals take you to explore the unknown.